From the company that continues to revolutionize the pump industry, Gorman Rupp is proud to introduce the Ultra V Series. This new generation of solids handling, self-priming centrifugal pumps offers substantially higher pressure, flow, efficiency, and time-saving maintenance features all in one package, the Ultra V. Built on a platform of decades of innovation and experience, the Gorman Rupp Ultra V Series pump achieves performance levels never before attained by other self-priming pumps. This versatile self-priming pump provides features that operators require while offering solutions for the most challenging design applications. Available in a variety of pump sizes, the Ultra V Series pumps can deliver exceptional flow rates and pressures. The Ultra V Series pumps achieve up to 60% increased pressure and more than 40% increased flow over any self-priming solids handling trash pump of the same size, while substantially increasing overall pump efficiency. When system requirements exceed the Ultra V Series' exceptional performance range of a single-stage pump, this pump can be configured with a second stage, Ultramate. Maximum pressure is increased up to 300% over traditional solids handling, self-priming centrifugal single-stage pumps. The Ultra V Series patent-pending Ultramate second stage module is mounted directly to the discharge of the first stage through an innovative transition chamber. This reduces losses associated with conventional series-connected pumps, while also reducing the footprint required with conventional configurations. The smart scroll casing of the Ultramate unit can be rotated to a variety of orientations, offering installation flexibility. The rotating assembly and cover plate are completely interchangeable between the Ultra V and the Ultramate unit, reducing spare parts inventory requirements. This unique arrangement optimizes available floor space and allows for innovative motor configurations. Each Ultra V Series pump is equipped with Gorman Rupp's easily removable rotating assembly. Pusher bolt holes are available to assist in the removal of the rotating assembly from the pump casing. A heavy-duty balanced ductile iron impeller is engineered for superior performance and life. Alternate materials are available as the application dictates. Each rotating assembly is supplied with Gorman Rupp's patented cartridge seal assembly, making seal installation a snap. The extra-large seal oil capacity provides superior dry run capability, reducing the concerns of damaging the seal. Within the seal chamber area, all Ultra V Series pumps come standard with anti-rotation ribs to reduce internal wear, maximizing component life. All Ultra V Series have a patented atmospheric isolation barrier, along with 2 lip seals designed to protect the bearings from contamination should a seal failure occur. A pathway provides the capability of external monitoring. Dual sight gauges allow quick and easy observation of oil condition and levels for both the seal and bearing chambers. All pumps occasionally require service. Servicing the Ultra V Series pumps is easy through the large back cover plate. This is accomplished without the need to disconnect any piping. Pusher bolt capability assists in the removal of the back cover plate if needed. A replaceable wear plate attached to the cover plate has Gorman Rupp's patent-pending self-cleaning design to ensure debris is cleared away and does not collect on the impeller vanes. This innovative design reduces the overall life cycle costs. In addition to the wear plate, removing the back cover plate also allows inspection or replacement of the seal and the impeller, thereby simplifying maintenance and reducing downtime. Each back cover plate has Gorman Rupp's exclusive patented external shimless adjustment system to maintain peak pump efficiency without the need to keep track of loose shims. The external shimless feature allows for accurate incremental adjustment of the clearance between the impeller and wear plate without realigning belts, couplings, or other drive components, all without special tools. An externally removable suction check valve is standard on each Ultra V pump. This reduces the need for constant priming associated with other self-priming pumps. This positive sealing suction check valve can be easily inspected or replaced by removing the stainless steel cover, eliminating the need to disconnect any piping. All Ultra V Series pumps are covered by an industry-leading 5-year warranty, supported and serviced by the best distributor network in the industry. From the company you have known and trusted for more than 70 years, count on Gorman Rupp's Ultra V Series to handle your toughest pumping jobs.